students, now in this session of video we are going to discuss class 12th maths and some problem based on composition of function. Now we have a problem like that. Let f is a 2, 3, 4, 5 elements from a set A to set B, and g is a function from set B to set C. So set B is containing 3, 4, 5, 9 and C is 7, 11, 15. The function defined as f2 is equal to 3, f3 is equal to 4, f4 is equal to f5 is equal to 5, and g3 is equal to g4 is equal to 7, and g5 is equal to 9, g9 is equal to 11. Now what we have to find? We have to find GOF. Clear? So first we will draw a mapping of these two functions. So the mapping of these two functions we have now. Okay, what is the element of 1? We have 3, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, function is defined from set A to set B, and the element of set B is 3, 4, 5, 9. Another function defined by B to C, and the elements are 3, 4, 5 and 9. Clear? Okay. Now what we have also given, f2 is equal to f3. f2 is mapped to f3. Clear? f3 is mapped to f4. f3 is mapped to f4. f4 is equal to f5 is equal to 5, means both are mapping to same number. Clear? Now we have another function g3 is equal to g4 is equal to 7. So g3 is equal to g3 and g4 is equal to 7. Sorry, the elements of this 7, 11 and 15. So g3 and g4 having 7. Now again we have g5 is equal to g9 is equal to 11. g5 and g9 is equal to 11. So this is the function A to B and B to C. Now what we have to find? GOF. So first of all we will write how to write GOF. GOFX can be written as, we know that, G of fx. Clear? Okay, now we have to put up the elements of domain 1. So first of all we will get g x is equal to 2. So what we are getting? f2. Clear? So what is the value of f2? f2 is equal to 3. So g3 we get, and we know that value of g3 is equal to 7. Clear? Similarly for 3, gf3. Further g, and what is it? f3 is 4, and further g4 is equal to what? g4 is equal to again 7. Now the next element is g4. So gf4, g, what is f4? f4 is 5, g5, and we know the value of g5 is equal to 11. Next again gf5, this element. Okay, g, and what is f5? f5 is equal to 5. Again g5 is equal to what? 11. Clear? So we can directly say that GOF2 is equal to 7, GOF3 is equal to 7, GOF4 is equal to 11, and GOF5 is also equal to 11. So what? This is our composition of function from A to C, and this is called GOFX. Clear? Now we'll see another example. Find GOF and FOG if f is real number to real number and g also real number to real number are given by fx is equal to cos x and gx is equal to 3x square. Show that GOF is not equals to FOGX. Clear? So solution, first we'll find GOF. So again GOFX can be written as GOGFX. Clear? G and what is fx? Cos x. Clear? Now we have gx. Gx is equal to 3x square. If there is x, so we have 3x square. So if there is cos x, so we can write it as 3 cos x whole square, and this can be written as 3 cos square x. Let them GOFX it is. Let them equation first. Now FOG x. So FOGFX can be written as GFGX. Further, f, what is the value of gx? Gx is 3x square. Clear? So f, in place of we have what? If x we have, so it is cos x. So if we have 3x square, so it can be written as cos 3x square. So that is our FOGX, cos 3x square. Clear? Equation second. Now just look at that equation first and second. What? The both are different, so we can write it as GOFX is not equal to FOGX. Clear? Now next we move to next question. In this question, a function is defined real number except 7/5 to real number except 3/5, means 7/5 and 3/5 are not included in real number, and a function is equal to 3x plus 4 upon 3x minus 7. Clear? Similarly, we have another function g, real number except 3/5 to real number 7/5 is defined by gx is equal to 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Then what we have to prove? FOGX is equal to IA. IA means we have identity function. This is also where A is the domain we have given of that one. Also B is also given set. AX is equal to x we have to find, and IBX is means we have to find x. Clear? Called identity function set of A and B respectively. Now what we have to find? FOG. First of all, solution. First we find FOG. FOGX, as we know that it can be written as what? FGX. Clear? Now put up the value of gx. So what we have given gx is equal to 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Clear? Okay, now again put up the value of fx. So instead of x we have what? We have this value. Again I am repeating, if x, so we have what function? 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. So in place of x, what we have a value? 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3. Clear? Now put up this value in this one. So we get 3. And in place of x, we have to write this 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3 plus this 4 upon 5x. In place of x we have to put up this 7x plus 4 upon 5x minus 3 and minus 7. Clear? Now we will solve it. So solution of this will we get what we have. If we multiply, so 7 3 is 21 plus 12. 21 x plus 12 plus 4, 5 4 is 20, x minus 12 upon 5x plus 3, 5x minus 3 upon what we have. 7 5 is 35 plus 20, 7 5 is 35, x plus 20 minus 7 5 is 35 minus 7 5 is 35 and minus minus plus 21. Clear? Upon 5x minus 3, 5x minus 3. So it is cancel out, 12 12 cancel out, 35 35 cancel out. So what we have remaining, 41x upon 41. Clear? And that is our FOGX. FOGX. So 41 14 cancel out. So FOGX, what we get? X. It means it is identity function. Similarly, we can find this GOFX. GOFX. Clear? So again we can write it as GFX. Now put the value of fx. Fx is equal to 3x plus 4 upon 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7. Clear? Now put the value of x. In place of x we will put the value of x is 3x plus 4 upon this in the function, second function. So function is 7x plus 4, 7, and x is 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7 plus what we have, 4 upon 5x minus 3. So 3x plus 4 upon 5x minus 7 minus 3. Clear? Okay, now simplify this. So we can simplify by 7 3 is 21 x plus 28 plus 20 x minus 28 upon, we find solution 15x plus 20 minus 15x plus 21. So 28 to 28 cancel out, and again 15 to 15 cancel out. So what we have get, 41x upon again 41. So again we what get, x. So GOF again what we are getting, x. Clear? So this is the solution of our problem related to composite function.